Need an easy way to make surveys, quizzes, or registration forms? Let me show you how to create a Google form from scratch. First, go to forms.google.com/forms. Once you're there, you'll see a blank form option and templates you can choose from. Click the blank form with the plus sign to start creating one. After you do that, the editor will open. At the top, enter your form's title and a short description so people know what's it about. Now that it's labeled, let's add questions. Click the plus button on the right-hand menu to add a question. You can choose multiple choice, short answer, check boxes, and more types. After your first question, keep adding as many as you need or as you like. When you are done, click the eye icon at the top to preview your form. Then hit the Publish button to share by email, link, or even embed it on a website. And that's how you create a Google form. Fast, simple, and ready to collect responses.